disappearing functionalities in the application. Once more, the core team is not up to our expectations. Once more, there are troubles with Pi and not what we would expect: better functionality, removing bugs, and in general going forward, but rather stepping back. Few days ago, I found out that the application tab in a menu disappeared. That means there's no way to access now Fever IQ. As I recall, there were more over 10,000 units donated, which now what? Evaporated? These units were meant for us users who would submit data requested in short survey regarding COVID-19. But the main problem is that the core team is unable to show that the Pi network works and that it could pass to the next stage. That is dangerous. There are more and more persons that are fed up and just drop the project, which is going nowhere. This future, Fever IQ, was also pretty important for another reason. It shows how transfers work and how this project could become viable. Also, as additional plus, there was a possibility to submit for the KYC verification as a result of willingness to make a donation to the Fever IQ. Well, now it's impossible. Pi network seems to become more primitive followers hunting rather than potentially a serious project. Don't you think so? I would like to recommend you the film you see in YouTube version. If you watch it elsewhere, go to this address j.mp/cryptocurrency pi in capital letters, and search the playlist.